SkillUp 2021, a mega data science education fair, presents the first edition of Data Science Faculty Excellence Awards. Data Science Faculty Excellence Awards 2021, organized by Analytics India magazine, recognize the genuine hardworking faculty members in the data science field who have exemplified outstanding skill in teaching, service, and research achievements. The awards celebrate excellence in data science education globally and honor the data science, analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence faculties purely based on merit. This year's awards will highlight achievements in 9 categories: Lifetime Achievement Award, Distinguished Professor Award, Rising Star Award, Award of Excellence in Research, Best Senior Faculty Award, Best Woman Faculty Award, Best Young Faculty Award, Outstanding Faculty Mentor Award, and Outstanding Graduate Student Teaching Award. Through these categories, Data Science Faculty Excellence Awards will honor the faculty experts who have excellent record of publication, teaching experience, and producing many PhD holders. The winner for the category of Lifetime Achievement Award is Dr. J. Janet, the Principal and the Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department in Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology. With 26 years of experience in engineering and a proud recipient of AICTE Vishweshwara Best Teacher Award 2020, Dr. Janet's main research interests are artificial intelligence, data science, image processing, and wireless networks. She has published over 150 articles in peer-reviewed international journals and has also delivered 120 plus lectures in national and international conferences. She also has 18 national patents and a book series as a remarkable contribution to science and technology.
Hello everyone, this is Janet J, Principal, Sri Krishna College of Engineering Technology, Coimbatore. At the outset, I feel honored and privileged to receive this Lifetime Achievement Award from Analytics India magazine. Well, my journey in analytics and also teaching niche technologies have always been exciting, and an award at this juncture is very special to me. Thank you Analytics India for choosing my candidature and selecting me for the Lifetime Achievement Award. And my gratitude also goes out to my management chairperson madam, my heads team, my colleagues, my faculty, and last but not the least, my lovely children who have always been a source of constant support, a pillar of support I should say, in making my dreams come true, in making or helping me in realizing my dreams. Thank you once again Analytics India. Thank you one and all.
The winners for the category of Distinguished Professor Award are U. Dinesh Kumar from IIM Bangalore and Dr. Venkatesh Sumkhad from INSOFE. U. Dinesh Kumar is the chairperson of Masters of Business Administration at IIM Bangalore with research interests in business analytics, big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning algorithms, and performance-based logistics, to name a few. He has published several research articles in reputed academic journals and worked on more than 30 business analytics and machine learning case studies of Indian and multinational organizations. Dinesh has even authored a book in 2017 titled Business Analytics: The Science of Data-Driven Decision Making, published by Wiley.
It's a great honor to receive the Distinguished Professor Award from a prestigious organization such as Analytics India magazine. I would like to dedicate this award to all my students who encouraged me to write cases that are now bestsellers at the Harvard Business Publishing and books that frequently appear as Amazon bestsellers. I would like to thank IIM Bangalore, which funded me to start the Data Center and Analytics Lab, which has become one of the best centers of excellence in India in the field of artificial intelligence. With the support from IIM Bangalore management, we also launched the MBA Business Analytics last year at IIMB. Hope to make it one of the best programs in the world. Once again, thanks to Analytics India magazine for this wonderful recognition.
The second winner of the Distinguished Professor Award is Dr. Venkatesh Sumkhad, a mentor and dean in the International School of Engineering, INSOFE. With 20 plus years of research, academic and industry experience in machine learning, data science, telecom, cable, wireless and IoT industry, Dr. Sunkhat currently works at Insofe as a professor and dean of new product development. His responsibilities include research and training, consultancy, and helping industries in various technologies and strategy challenging areas. He has also been featured as a top 50 cable technologist by Cable Today magazine and has more than 50 international talks and publications in international journals on various subjects.
Hi, this is Dr. Venkatesh Sunkhat. Thank you very much for honoring me with the prestigious Distinguished Professor Award. This is a real accolade, and I would like to thank Analytics India magazine for this esteemed recognition. I humbly accept this award and was very fortunate to be part of this august and talented group of individuals who are awarded today, and also those who were considered for this award. This award is truly the recognition of all the academicians and researchers who work tirelessly to further the spark of curiosity among students and further the milestones of research on a daily basis. I would also like to thank Insofe for providing me with an opportunity to be both a researcher and an academician, and also believing in me when I wanted to do the transition from corporate to academia, and providing me with a pathway in which both academics and research can be done in a very seamless manner. This award is truly the culmination of all the people who work in Insofe, who have created an environment which makes to do my job in a very successful manner. Once again, thank you very much, Analytics India magazine, for this award. Thank you.
The winner for the Rising Star Award category is Arihant Jain, a data science trainer at Emerticus Learning. With 8 years of experience in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, Arihant is currently working as a lead data scientist in the fintech domain. As a mentor to different data science aspirants, Arihant has worked with more than 1,000 diverse learners, including freshers and experienced professionals, and trained them on data science topics. Arihant has also helped aspirants design the projects and solve different assignments and case studies. Arihant has also been active in content creation and speaking on different AI, ML, and data science topics.
Hey, hi everyone. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the Skill Up 2021 conference. First of all, I wanted to take this opportunity to thank Analytics India magazine for selecting and awarding me with the Rising Star Award in the field of data science and AI. I feel very happy and humbled to be receiving this Rising Star Award. It will further motivate me to go back to the community and mentor and train more and more data science and AI aspirants to join the exciting pool of data scientists. I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank all my previous organizations who have given me all the right opportunity to grow in the field of data science, machine learning, and AI. Also, I wanted to express my thanks to all my family members, specifically my wife, my mother and father, as well as all my colleagues who have given me all the support and confidence to grow in my career. I wish you all the best for your career, and I hope you all will enjoy the Skill Up 2021 conference. Thank you.
The winner for the Awards of Excellence in Research category is Dr. Anil Yadav, an Associate Professor in Symbiosis Center for Information Technology, Symbiosis International. Dr. Anil comes with 20 years of experience in teaching data science subjects, including data mining, big data analytics, business analytics, and Python programming to students who are pursuing MBA in data science and data analytics. He has also published research papers in reputed international journals and has even led several research conferences. Dr. Anil has also been a member of Technical Program Committee for many international conferences.
Hello everyone, I am Anil Jadhav, Data Science faculty from Symbiosis Center for Information Technology, Pune. It is indeed a great pleasure to be here for the prestigious Data Science Faculty Excellence Award function. I would like to thank Analytics India and the award jury for honoring me with the Award of Excellence in Research. Thank you so much Analytics India for this wonderful recognition. On this occasion, I would like to pass on a message that the researchers from academia and industry should come together and do collaborative work. As we all know, solution to any business or a society problem based on research always gives better results. The top companies in the world have made tremendous progress because of their strong research-based products and services. It is always said that there exists a gap between industry and academics, though it is not a complete truth. If gap exists to some extent, then we all need to minimize this gap by bringing academicians and industry experts together to work in a collaboration. I would like to thank Analytics India for taking initiatives to bring academicians and industry experts together by organizing various events in the past couple of years. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Symbiosis for nominating me for this award. I would also like to thank all my students and colleagues at Symbiosis. I am very grateful to all my family members for their unconditional love, support and being constant source of inspiration. Without their support, this achievement would not have been possible. I dedicate this award to my beloved parents. Thank you.
The winners for the Best Senior Faculty Award category are Dr. Saurav Saha from Praxis Business School and Kamal Das from Jigsaw Academy. Dr. Saurav Saha is a machine learning professional and an educator in the advanced analytics area with close to 2 decades of experience across functions. Dr. Saurav has publications in the field of management information systems at various international conferences and has also been a speaker on data science and cloud computing at leadership forums and graduate schools. In his current role as a professor and academics dean at Praxis Business School, Dr. Saurav aims to promote data science for everyone and execute university partnership and international dual certification in higher education.
Hello everyone. It feels nice when someone recognizes you for the little contribution that you probably made in the data science and AI ecosystem. Having said this, the journey from being a BI practitioner to a data science leader and then to being an academic was not always very smooth. Having graced the grass in all the curves, I knew for sure that each one was equally green, with probably a tinge of brown or maybe yellow here and there. So I chose the path which someone wise has suggested. Multiply yourself. And that's what I've been trying to do over the years. Trying to make small contributions and build the ecosystem of data science and AI. As they say, it's a small world. And thanks to these conferences from AIM, you get to meet people like your mentors who got you interested in this particular field, the CXOs and the business leaders to whom probably you have pitched your data science and AI ideas, and again not to forget the students whose sweet smile of success is probably the best thing that you can get in your life. Unfortunately, this particular event has been online for the last 2 editions due to this pandemic, and I hope that next time we are back to the normal self where we get to meet each other in the conference and feel the energy and the ideas flowing. I feel humbled when I accept this award for the best senior faculty in the data science and AI field. I think right now the responsibility is a lot on us, the academicians, to ensure that this ecosystem keeps on growing. So collectively, let's take this oath to keep ourselves upskilled and ensuring that learning should always continue. So thank you all again for finding me deemed suitable for this particular award. Thanks everyone. Thanks AIM. Thanks SkillUp for the honors. Hope to meet you all next time in person. Till then, take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Thank you all.
The second winner for the category of Best Senior Faculty Award is Kamal Das, the head of data science programs at Jigsaw Academy. With almost 19 years of experience in analytics, finance and business, Kamal not only heads the data science programs but also works as a visiting faculty for the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and other business schools. Being an avid learner, Kamal focuses on applying his learnings to solve problems in global competition platforms like Kaggle. He is currently ranked in the top 0.23% of Kaggle participants worldwide in the competition category. Kamal has even developed an advanced COVID prediction model that has been featured in many media publications.
Thank you. I am honored to receive the Best Senior Faculty Award. I would like to thank the organizers, Analytics India Magazine, my organization, Jigsaw Academy, and most importantly, all my students I had the privilege to interact with across the years. This award is a recognition, not just of all the years of teaching, but also learning from my colleagues, my fellow faculty, and most importantly, all my students. The award is the culmination of all the years of improving and learning, and I would like to thank all of those who helped shape me into being a better teacher. First of all, my students. The bright minds, always questioning, never patient, and ever eager to challenge and keep the faculty on their toes. The lively interaction made it a great place to learn. Next, my fellow colleagues. They fueled my curiosity, challenged me to be better, and always motivated me to continuously upgrade myself and helped improve my teaching style. And finally, and most importantly, my family, for the support and patience with me as I spent hours improving the code and notes for the never-ending next class. I accept this award with humility, joy, and as a reminder to keep striving to be a better teacher and be worthy of this recognition. Thank you. Thanks again.
The two winners for the Best Woman Faculty Award are Dr. Samiksha Shukla from the Christ University Pune Lavasa campus and Shayantini Roy Chaudhary from Praxis Business School. Dr. Samiksha Shukla is currently employed as an associate professor and head of data science department at the Christ University. Her research interest includes computation security, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and big data. With 16 years of academic and research experience, Dr. Shukla is a certified AWS educator who has been serving as a reviewer for several journals and conferences. She has an integrated set of competencies that encompass areas related to teaching, mentoring, strategic management, and establishing Center of Excellence via industry tie-ups.
Hello, I am extremely honored to be receiving such an important award, the Best Female Faculty in the field of Data Science and AI from Analytics India Magazine. I am sincerely grateful for the recognition I have received for the work because I am sure that every other nominee for the award was equally deserving. The world says, behind every successful man, there is a woman. I feel for a woman to achieve success, she needs support of her family. So let me begin by expressing my gratitude to my daughters Kashyapi and Rishvi, my husband Mr. Kapil Tiwari, and my parents for their endless support and motivation. I would like to thank Dr. Father Abraham V.M., Vice Chancellor Christ Dimtobi University, Dr. Father Joe C.C., Pro Vice Chancellor Christ University, for giving me the opportunity to lead the data science specialization. I am deeply honored and want to thank Dr. Father Josie P. George, Director, Christ Dimtobi University, Pune Lavasa campus, for his trust and encouragement. I am thankful to Dr. Father Arun Antony, the colleagues from Department of Data Science, and my students to help me reach a stage where I can proudly hold up this award as mark of their trust and belief. Finally, and most importantly, I would like to thank Analytics India Magazine for honoring me with this prestigious award. Thank you.
Shayantini Roy Chaudhary, on the other hand, is an associate professor at Praxis Business School, Kolkata. With a PhD and MPhil in economics and a MSc specialization in econometrics and statistics, Shayantini has 20 years of experience in teaching undergraduate and postgraduate students. At Praxis, she has been a part of data science faculty team where she teaches statistics, econometrics and time series analysis to data science students. Shantanu has also published more than 12 peer-reviewed research papers and book chapters.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shantanu Rajpuri, Associate Professor at Praxis Business School. I am thankful to Analytics India. It's a great honor for me to receive this award. It's a good initiative by them. It will definitely encourage other faculty members and academicians to do more research, to do more work in this domain of data science. I am thankful to Praxis Business School. They have given me the scope to be there as a member of their highly qualified and distinguished data science faculty team. I want to take this opportunity to thank all my colleagues at Praxis, particularly Professor Prithvish Mukherjee and Professor Charanpreet Singh. They always encourage me to learn new things, teach new subjects. I also want to thank my another colleague, Professor Shubhashish Dashgupta, to guide me in the field of machine learning and deep learning. Last but not the least, I want to thank my family members and all my wonderful students at Praxis. Thank you, Analytics India. Thank you again.
The winners for the Best Young Faculty Award category are Neetu Bali Kamra from Lloyd Business School and Gaurav Nath from Praxis Business School. With 16 years of teaching experience, Neetu Bali Kamra is currently working as an assistant professor at Lloyd Business School for Business Analytics program. Neetu is SAP and IBM certified in data science and analytics and has more than 15 papers published and presented in various colleges and universities. She is also a trainer in design thinking and has worked as an administrative and human resource generalist at Tata Consultancy. Neetu aspires to develop expertise in human resource analytics as a specialization.
Hi everyone, I'm sure you are having a great time at SkillUp 2021, the education fair for AI and data science. I'm delighted, overwhelmed and excited to receive this award. The reward reinstates that the commitment, hard work and passion is always recognized and never goes in vain. I'm grateful to the team of Analytics India magazine for having created and considered me a recipient for the award for the Best Young Faculty. I'm very grateful to Lloyd Business School, which has given me the opportunity to learn and recreate knowledge through the analytics program, which is powered by IBM. Analytics has been a driver and a fuel to excellence in business, which I, as a faculty, would like to pioneer as a movement amongst youth and students. The award has motivated me and further has reinstated that this journey to change and revolution should carry on. Once again, I thank the team Analytics India magazine for having recognized me as the Best Young Faculty Award. All the best and great learning ahead. Thank you.
The second winner for the Best Young Faculty Award category is Gaurav Nath, a faculty member of data science and is currently heading the postgraduate program of data science at Praxis Business School, Bangalore. Gaurav has more than 6 years of experience in teaching, where he has mentored plenty of students and guided several capstone projects in data science and AI. Gaurav has presented many research papers in reputed international conferences and has received the Best Paper Award for one of his publications. He has even spoken at India's largest analytics summit, Cypher, and has been an official member of the Analytics India magazine expert network and a mentor in the Statistics with R community.
Hi, I'm Gaurav Nath. I'm deeply honored and humbled to receive the Best Young Faculty Award. I'm very thankful to Analytics India magazine for recognizing my potentials and my contributions in this field. I would like to thank each and every members of Praxis Business School for their continuous support and encouragement. We in Praxis are constantly working very hard towards teaching data science in the best possible ways. We not just focus on simplifying the concepts to the greatest possible extent, but at the same time we constantly motivate our students to think out of the box by pushing them out of their comfort zones. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my ex-colleagues. I have forever received enormous amount of love and motivations from them. I'm also greatly thankful to all my teachers and professors who have always believed in me and had confidence in me and helped me to be a better thinker. Not the least, I'm extremely grateful and thankful to my loving family members. Nothing would have been possible without their enormous love and support. Thank you. I would also like to congratulate all the winners of this year.
The winner for the Outstanding Faculty Mentor Award category is Dr. Anandan Jayaraman, a professor of financial modeling, supply chain, machine learning and AI at Insofe. Besides his academic experience, Dr. Anandan is a quant trader, a crypto asset investor, and a data science evangelist. He has a strong experience in using mathematical, numerical, and statistical techniques to analyze complex physical problems. For the last 5 years, he has been consulting on data science related projects for various sectors including retail, manufacturing, healthcare, financial markets, and political analytics.
Thank you, Analytics India Magazine, for honoring me with this award for Outstanding Faculty Mentor. Thank you, Insofe, for nominating me. Though this award has my name on it, in truth it belongs to all the esteemed colleagues and mentors at Insofe, who are all constantly working towards providing the best teaching possible for our students. While I'm a data scientist, data science practitioner, and an educator today, that's not how I started. I started my career as a mathematical physicist working in academia, where I focused on a variety of problems in domains such as polymeric fluids, thin films, weather prediction, and neuroscience. While I left academia, I joined a hedge fund company where I was using mathematical methods to try and predict commodity markets and trade based on signals that come from the mathematics. The common theme in all of these problems was that I used data methods to predict, to solve a business problem. Sometimes we are using probability theory, sometimes we are using optimization methods, sometimes we are using time series methods. Each time one had to look at different books and papers to study these methods. The students these days, however, are fortunate enough to learn all of these topics under one common umbrella term that we call as data sciences. I believe the main job as a mentor today is to demonstrate the applicability of these methods to the domains, to the actual business applications. To this end, we at Insofe teach data science from practitioner standpoint, so that the students graduate with the knowledge of the theory and ability to solve real-world problems in any industry that they choose to enter. Thank you again for honoring me with this award.
The winner for the Outstanding Graduate Student Teaching Award category is Mufas Rahim, a lecturer at Asia Pacific University of Technology and Innovation, Malaysia. An academic specializing in the field of data science and business analytics, Mufas comes with 15 years of experience. He aims to provide exceptional training to his students and prepare them to be industry ready by training them on data science and analytics competition conducted across the world. His research areas include business intelligence, visual analytics, and text analytics.
Hi, good day to all of you. It is my great pleasure in receiving this year's Outstanding Graduate Student Teaching Award at the Skill Up 2021. I am happy for being recognized for the contribution I made to the data science and AI industry. At this juncture, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Analytics India for honoring me with this award. I would like to thank Vijayashree from India, an MSc graduate and my mentee from the Asia Pacific University of Technology and Innovation, Malaysia, for nominating me for this award. Moreover, I would like to thank my family, my mentors, my colleagues and the management of Asia Pacific University of Technology and Innovation, Malaysia, for giving me all the support to build a valuable contribution to the data science and AI area. Thank you all. Have a good day. Stay safe.